Breaking news that's coming in right now. BSP chief Mayawati has filed her reply to the Election Commission on her appeal to Muslim voters to vote for the Mahagathbandhan. Sources claim that Mayawati in her response has said that her appeal was to all communities and not any particular one. Sources suggest that Mayawati has stopped short of apologizing for her remark. Listen in to what Mayawati had said earlier.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ये मानकर चल रही है हम जीते या ना जीते लेकिन गठबंधन नहीं जीतना चाहिए। ज्यादातर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने तो जगह जगह ऐसी जाति और ऐसे धर्मों के लोगों को खड़ा किया है जिससे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को फायदा पहुंच जाए। इन मुस्लिम समाज के लोगों को मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ, आप लोगों को अपना वोट बांटना नहीं है, बल्कि आप लोगों को एक तरफा अपना वोट बीएसपी के लोगों को, बीएसपी के यानी कि समाजवादी पार्टी और आरएलडी के उम्मीदवारों को ही देकर तो आप लोगों को इन्हें कामयाब बनाना है।
Right, my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal is now joining me live from Delhi on this story. Aishwarya, in that soundbite that we heard from Deoband last week, it's absolutely clear that Mayawati was appealing to the Muslim community. She says it very categorically in that statement that we just played out. But in her response to the Election Commission, she says that she was appealing to all.
Well, definitely the response which Election Commission has received in it, it's apparent that Mayawati has shrugged off the notice that was sent to her. She said that she did not appeal to any particular community. She has appealed to everyone. Now, this is something which the Election Commission is not taking in a very, very good sense, because the Election Commission had heard the soundbite. Sources within the Commission also tell us that the reason why they had sent her a notice was because the comment that she made was communally very charged. Now, we have to wait and watch what action the Commission will take, because the response has the Commission has indeed got the response. They are now looking at it, but in her response Mayawati did not apologize. In fact, she went ahead and she said that she has committed nothing wrong. She said nothing wrong. All she said was for communities, for all the communities to vote for her party. This is the response that Mayawati has given to the Election Commission. Still awaiting a response from the Election Commission on what action they will take.
Right, Aishwarya, thank you for those details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.